Every change your teams ship through Terraform waits in a single line, not because the work overlaps, because the tool locks everything to change anything. That lock turns your platform team into a scheduling problem. Deploys queue behind unrelated deploys, and engineers wait on each other instead of shipping. The bigger your infrastructure gets, the slower every change becomes, and tools on top can't fix it because the bottleneck is in how the state is stored. Stategraph removes the bottleneck at the source. It stores your infrastructure the way it actually behaves, as a graph of dependencies in a real database. Everything else follows from that one shift. 3 things your teams feel immediately. Planning time tracks the size of the change, not the size of your estate. Small changes are fast again. Teams ship independently, in parallel. When 2 changes genuinely collide, Stategraph catches it at the resource level and stops the wrong one automatically. And you can finally ask questions of your infrastructure. What do we run? What depends on what? What does this change put at risk? In plain SQL. And it fits how your teams already work. The plan appears on the pull request. Approval and apply happen right there, with policy checks, cost estimates, and drift detection built in. Adoption is an afternoon, not a migration. Import your existing state. Nothing about your Terraform changes, and if it's not for you, export it back out. No lock-in. Run it as a service, self-hosted in your own cloud, or we'll operate it for you. Stategraph, stop scheduling humans around a lock file.